We're at gotomath.com. Click on the calculus. Let's go to definite integration. And I've already forgotten what I'm doing here. Oh, am I doing 8.1? Seems like that's what I typed in. Hold on. Yes, 8.1. So we can... Ooh, we're going to have to know what the tan of dx is here. The tan. Find the definite integral, round to 3 decimal places. So let's get that written down quickly now, quickly. Thinking this has got something to do with a natural log, maybe? I can't remember. dx. Something to do with the natural log. Maybe, I don't know yet. It'll all come to me here in just a minute. So we got the integral of 2.9 to 3.9. So we got to be careful about picking these limits here because we got vertical asymptotes. Right, we got vertical asymptotes we're dealing with on this guy. When you just make up numbers. Alright, so we want to take the integral of tan x. Does anybody remember what that happens to be? Okay. Well, I'll refresh your memory. The integral of tan x was negative natural log of the absolute value of cosine x. Alright, that's what it was, and that was back in the indefinite integration section. And then what we do is go ahead and plug our numbers in. So we got negative ln absolute value cosine of 3.9 minus, always start a parentheses, okay, don't forget to do that, cosine, and I'll let you work this one out in your head if you want. Of course, you can take this thing and make this a plus right here, right? A plus if you want. Okay. What else could you do? You could factor out that negative. We could combine this logarithm, couldn't we? Anyway, let's just go ahead. Let me put approximation here. Let me just go ahead and plug that stuff in. Now I'm going to say something here real quick, which I need to say. But these are radian degrees, radian numbers, right? This stuff is in radians, so I don't think I mentioned that, but radians, right? These values that go in for x here are radians, and I'm not sure I mentioned that, but we're not using degrees. At least I don't think I've made any problems up with degrees here, so they're just radians. Okay, because it would make a difference, I believe, quite a bit. Alright, so let's go ahead and get that answer. Round to 3 decimal places. So I'm getting 0.2908, but I think we're supposed to be approximating. There's some other stuff out here. 0.291. We'll go with that. Alright. That's what we're going to go with. Already clicked the answer button there. Yeah, that's it. So you got to remember what the integral of tan x is. It's pretty important. Remember, we're at gotomath.com. Come on by, practice makes perfect. See you there.